Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. Good evening, Avinash and Krishna. Can you?
Yeah, good.
Good
Yeah,
evening, good evening.
yeah, good evening. So from today we'll start our regular sessions. So if any queries by end of the class, we'll discuss in detail. Okay. And the
Okay.
first 3 days there is no practicals, nothing will be there, just like a theory content. Because first we should know the basic things. Then only we'll enter into the advanced level concepts.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So in our yesterday session, what we discussed, what exactly digital marketing. So what is a digital marketing and digital marketing importance nowadays, why we have to use digital marketing. And after that, what is the difference between digital marketing and offline marketing, like a traditional marketing. And after that, in a digital marketing, what are the modules? Means what are the different platforms are available? And about each and every platform we discussed in our yesterday. So see here, digital marketing, nothing but promoting our products through digital media channels like through Google, Yahoo, nothing but search engines, through paid marketing, through social media, through YouTube. Like this, by using digital channels, we are going to promote our products or services. So in this way, we have few free platforms are there, few are the paid also there. In our regular classes, we'll cover all the things. And next one, what is the importance? Why we have to go with digital marketing? If we are a business owner or if we are a student, why we have to do digital marketing? Because nowadays we know everybody are using internet smartphones. So even if we need small biscuit packet also, we are trying to purchase from online only. Nothing but everything became online. So compulsory, we have to promote our business also in the online. Through in social media, you have to promote your business. In the search engines also, you have to promote. Why you have to promote? First one is you want to create a branding about your service. Second one is you need leads, nothing but customers, inquiries are needed. So that's why compulsory we have to go with the digital marketing. And here, what is the difference between digital marketing and offline marketing? Nothing but our traditional marketing. So the first one is in a digital marketing, we can target exact audience. So for example, if we are offering like some courses to students. So who is your target? Students and recently graduated or otherwise entrepreneur who started their business, who want to promote their business, all are my digital marketing force target. In case if you are using offline, so exact target not possible, right? Everybody will see your holdings. Everybody going to contact you through brochures or through flyers or something. But when it comes to online, we can target exact audience. Audience nothing but your users. And the second one is cost effectiveness. When compared to offline marketing, online marketing is so cheaper. This is the second advantage. And third one is tracking. So we are investing some amount for promotions, but by end of the day, we have to track from which platform users coming, which platform is working for your business, right? If you know, from next time you are going to invest more. So that's why in offline marketing, tracking not possible. But when it comes to online, tracking also possible. So like this, we have multiple advantages when compared to offline marketing. So this is the difference between digital marketing and online marketing. And under digital marketing, what are the modules we are going to learn? So the first one is SEO, search engine optimization. for free of cost, how to promote your website in the Google. Second one, SEM, nothing but paid marketing in Google and Google partner websites. Next one, SMO, social media optimization. So how to create social media profiles, how to manage for your business, everything. And next one, SMM, social media marketing. So paid marketing in Facebook, paid marketing Instagram, LinkedIn, paid marketing things. And after that, GMB, Google My Business Listing in Google Maps, how to promote your business. And after that, email marketing. So how to send email in bulk to your customers. And after that, affiliate marketing. And along with affiliate marketing, ORM. So brand management, online reputation management. So like this, we have multiple modules are available, and about each and every module in our yesterday demo class, we discussed some overview. So these are the concepts we covered in our yesterday session. And today we are going to start our first module like a SEO. So search engine optimization. So SEO full form, search engine optimization. So what exactly search engine optimization? So search engine optimization is a completely free process. By using search engine optimization, we are going to place our website in Google first page top rankings in Google search results. If you want to place your website in higher rankings, here we have to use SEO. Why? Because as a user, when someone entered one search query, so see here I'm going to enter some UI UX course in Hyderabad. When someone entered, this is the search term, right? Technically, we can say search query, or otherwise you can call keyword. So when user enter a keyword, so Google will try to display always relevant information websites only. So here user looking for UI UX course in Hyderabad. So in this case, our website in top position. So simply users are going to open my website. If they like the content, they will approach me so that I will get the business, right? This is the scenario. So in case the same website available in second page or 10th page, generally in search results, these all are search results. For every page, maximum they will display search results 10. So 10 websites they will show you. After 10, it will go to second page. After 10, third page like this. Okay. So in case when user enter a search term in the Google search, if our website available in 10th page, nobody will open the 10th page, right? So if we are in top position also, there is no use, right? So what is the useful thing when user enter a search term? If we have to display our website in top position in search results. For this reason, we have to do SEO for our website. And remember, this is completely free process and long-term process. This is not a single day or a weekly process. This is regular task. Regularly, we have to do SEO for our website. So then only we'll get the top position. For example, last 1 week onwards, I'm doing SEO for my website. So when I will get the result? Nothing but at least a minimum it will take 2 to 3 months of time. So after 2 to 3 months, your website will get the top position. So in case if you want instant result, you have to go with paid marketing. So here you are doing SEO for free of cost. That's why it's a long-term process. But once you got the top position, you will get huge good business. So this is the use of SEO. So for example, sir, I have one real estate company. So I want to start SEO for my website, my business. Then what are the prerequisites? Nothing but if you want to start SEO for your business, for SEO purpose, compulsory we need a website. So generally in offline we have a office or store. When customers come to our office, we'll explain about our products and services so that we can close the inquiry. But what about the online, where you are going to store the information about your business and services? For this reason, every business required one website. So in offline, our office. Similarly, in online, we need a website. Website nothing but collection of web pages. Website nothing but collection of web pages. In the website, we are going to store information of your business. So information, what type of information we are going to store? So for example, who we are, about our business. And now, what about your services information? And for example, your products or services, gallery, photos or videos. And after the contact details, how to contact you, like a phone number, email ID, and address, and forms, everything we are going to mention in the website only. So you have a website. If you are doing SEO, when someone entered real estate company in Hyderabad, if your website in top position, he will open your website through contact details or through registration form, he will approach you. So if you want to start SEO for your business, the first step is we need a website. Without a website, SEO not possible. And remember here few things we discussed. First one, search query. Search query or search term or keyword all are same. So search query nothing but whatever we are entering in the Google search, this is only search query. So technically we can say keyword. Otherwise you can call search term also, no problem. And the second technical one is search results. Search results nothing but after Google search, whatever websites they are showing in each page, these all are search results only. And how many search results for each page? 10 search results. In these 10 results, Google may display like direct service providers, some third party service providers. It's completely based on website relevance only. So this is the second one we covered. Okay. And now you can see here we know what is a website. In a website, what are the details we have to mention. And here, how many type of websites are there? We should know that. So for example, see here, I'm going to open Institute website. So when I open this, they are showing some data. And after that, for suppose I'm going to open one Amazon application. So here in Amazon application, they are showing some products. So when I open the YouTube, they may show you some videos. So you can see these all are websites only, but different type of websites. So based on business category, we are going to select the website type. So basically, here we have two major website types are available. First one is static websites, and the second one is dynamic websites. These are the major two type of websites. So first one, static websites. Second one is dynamic websites. So static websites nothing but fixed content in the website. Fixed content will be there. There is no dashboards. There is no dynamically adding. There is no changes, everything. So if we are displaying some fixed content, fixed information in the website, Those are static websites. So best example, see here, I just open Elearn Infotech website. When I open the website, here we have one image, few videos are there, again some content will be there, right? So you can open tomorrow. So tomorrow also the same content will be open. So tomorrow also same content will be displayed. And day after tomorrow also same content will be displayed. For example, here I want to change this heading. If you want to change this heading, you have to open this website code manually. Inside of the code, you have to edit the heading. So these are static websites. So here some fixed content. There is no frequent updates. If any changes are required, you have to edit in the website coding. But second one is dynamic websites, right? So dynamic nothing but here only we got the meaning. So frequent updates, dynamically we can make the changes. For example, Amazon application. See here, currently they are showing these products. But after sometimes they may add new products. They may add new offers, right? So sometimes they may add out of stock also. And here to add or to delete everything in a backend, they are not going to edit the code. In the backend, they have dashboards are there. So, for example, in a Gmail, we know. So, after login, we have one dashboard. We can compose the email, we can send the new email, etc. Similarly, in a dynamic websites in the backend, we have complete dashboards are available. So, static websites nothing but fixed content. There is no frequent changes. To perform any changes, you have to edit the code. And dynamic nothing but reverse. Frequent changes are there. No need to edit the code. In a backend, we have admin panels. So based on business category, you have to choose what kind of website is suitable. For example, here you can see I got one customer. He have a school. He is asking like, I need a website for my school. So you can say for school, simply you can go with the static websites only. For example, I want to start one online grocery website. So for this, compulsory we need dynamic website because daily minute to minute we are adding new products. We are going to edit the prices. We are going to add the offers, etc. So for example, here I want to create one blog. In my blog, I will post movie reviews. Whenever a new movie released, I will try to post the review. So here daily, so for example, 5 movies are releasing. So daily you supposed to publish the review, right? Is it possible to modify the code? Not possible. So simply you can go with the dynamic websites only. So like this, based on business category, we have to choose the website. For regular businesses, you can go with the static websites. For frequent changes, if you want, you have to go with the dynamic websites only. So schools, hospitals, and training centers, we need only regular static websites only. Okay. And next. So for example, if you want a website, what are the prerequisites? So now we have a clarity. What is a website? What type of information we have to place inside of the website and website types. So I want one website. Just to assume I am one real estate company owner. I want a website for my business. So what are the prerequisites? So if you want to any type of website, so first we need domain. First we need one domain, and after that second one is hosting, and third one you are going to start your designing process. So without a domain and hosting, design not possible. So first, what is a domain here? So domain is nothing but one unique identity for your business. For example, this is amazon.in. So you can open this URL from US, same website may open from UK or from anywhere in the world with internet connectivity. Try to open the URL, their application will be open, right? So here Amazon.in, this is the one unique identity for their business in the online. So like this in online, you have to book one domain. So here this domain based on country, based on business type, we have to select. So for example, my business located in Malaysia. So simply end of the name, their country extension may add it .my. So if your business located in Australia, .au. If we are located in India, .in. So UK. So like this, in domains, we can add country extensions also. So that easily user will identify, okay, this is so and so country website. So, for example, sir, my business domain name is some abc.in. So, only in India or from anywhere in the world, I'm able to open this. So, any name, no problem. Everybody will be open. But it is like indication for a country. User will understand easily. And generally, people primary choice is .com only. So what exactly .com? .com nothing but commercial business. For all commercial business, people are going to use .com. For example, you may observe .org, nothing but organizations like charities, non-profit organizations, they are going to use .org. And after that, .net, nothing but network, some group of companies, for example, enadu.net. And for example, .blog, if you are maintaining any type of blogs, people are going to choose .blog. Like this, we have hundreds of domain extensions are available. Domain extension, nothing but end of the domain name, we are adding this extension. So if you want website, first we have to register one domain. In online, so many third party domain service providers are there. So there we have to register our domain name. So you can see, for example, 100 domain providers are there. You can purchase from anyone, your name will be unique only. Okay. And this domain, you have to register minimum 1 year, maximum it's up to you. You can register for 10 years or 15 years also, it's up to you, no problem. But minimum 1 year. And the company to company price may vary. Generally, domain price like a 1700, 1800 plus 18% GST may charge. So you can see, for example, if you want to register a domain, how to register? See here. So basically, we have few popular websites are there. We'll tell you. Before that, first how to check. See domain register. So see when I open sponsor results, nothing but paid ads only. So these all are different service providers only. Few websites from India, a few websites from US also, no problem. So GoDaddy, one of the very popular website. So US based only. And now you can see Bluehost, Hostinger, and BigRock, India based only. So these all are different type of service providers. So for example, I want to register one domain for my real estate company. So first of all, you know your business name, right? First, you have to check is your name available or not? Because from the entire world, so many people may register the domains. For suppose here, Elearn Real Estate. .com. I just mentioned I need .com. So now click on search. If it is available, they will show you. Otherwise, they will show you warning. You can see elearnrealestate.com is unavailable because registered by someone. And what are the domains related to Elearn real estate available? .net, .in, .online, .co.in, .org. See, for few domains they are showing popular tags. For few domains they are showing new. If you have a like a e-commerce store kind of thing, you can go with store or shop only. So any non-profit, you can go with org. So AI related, you can go with AI. And see here 1085 per year. So once we add this product to cart, they will add additional charges 18 to 20% charges. Okay. So like this, you can check the domain. For example, already Elearn Infotech website I have registered, right? So if I am trying to register again, then what happen? Execute. See, not available. Related to Elearn Infotech, these are the available. Even .in also not available. Why? Because in online, some domain brokers are there. What they will do? Always they will try to register popular names only. So, for example, recently Geo Hotstar both are combined. Before only one person registered that name. He saw somewhere in the online some news will be there. They are going to take over the Hotstar. So what he did, he registered the domain. So when these people are going to register, it is showing like already owned by someone. So what they did, they purchased from him. So he charged some lakhs rupees only. So like this in online, some catchy names will be registered by domain brokers only. It's a completely auction process will be there. But we don't know. We are thinking like, okay, my name is not available. But in the back end, these people will do like this. And even you can see for elearninfotech.com, even .in also not available. Because if somebody purchased .in, if somebody started the institute, so people may get confused. .com, .in both are regularly using. That's why what I did, I registered and I just left it. So that's why .in is not available. So like this, if you are going to start website for your business, first always try to prefer .com only. Otherwise, your second option, if you are located in India, you just go with .in because easily anybody can type elearninfotech.in. Otherwise, elearninfotech.shop, elearninfotech.store, nobody will type. So that's why always just to go with the regular extensions. And the second one is domain name below 10 characters. Don't go for more than 10 characters. This is important. So for example, here my website name, you can see these guys name only bigrock.in. See, it's a catchy word, right? Big rock, godaddy.in. So anybody can understand, anybody can type easily. So in case Big Rock Hosting India Hyderabad.com, who will type? Nobody, right? So that's why always your domain name maximum 10 characters. And the second thing, try to avoid spelling mistakes. So especially for example, ABC business. Some people they are going if a business regular one not available they are going to register instead of s they may add the z, otherwise they may add double s also. So whenever we are saying our website name is ABC Business, everybody will type the correct spelling only. So you have to specify, no, you have to type double S. That is not possible every time, right? So that's why try to avoid spelling mistakes. This is the second important thing. And the third one is we have to avoid tongue twisters and difficult spellings. This is very, very important because your name should be catchy and easy to type and small. These are the three important points we have to remember. Now, if anybody wants to register domain for your school or real estate company or any business, you have to remember these points. Based on that, you can go with that. Okay. So now we have a clarity. So what type of domain we have to purchase? While purchasing a domain, what are the rules and regulations we should? And the second thing is, so here domain name is ready and we have explained about our services, everything to our website designer. He will design the website as well. So he designed our website in our laptop only. So whenever we open the website, we are able to see within our device. But if you want to reach all the users in the online, where we have to store your files, for this purpose, we need hosting. Hosting nothing but like a online storage space or online server. So in hosting, you have to store your designed files. So for example, if you are designing your website, you're supposed to store your images, videos, phone numbers, content, everything, right? Where we have to store currently all the data available in my laptop. That's why I'm able to see in my device. If you want to display your website in online, you have to store your information inside of the hosting. So hosting in general terms, you can say online storage space, online server space. So here in this hosting, we have three type of hostings are available. So one is shared hosting, nothing but so we are going to share our space with different websites. So it's like a Uber pool kind of the cab sharing like that. So it's a less price only. And the second one is dedicated hosting. Nothing but only for your website, we are going to purchase some space. So before here we can store 10 websites, 10 people sharing the price. But now it's a dedicated one. That's why it's an expensive one. And recently, everybody know about cloud hosting, right? So for large scale applications, everybody are using cloud hosting, very expensive and powerful as well. So even hacking also very difficult. Your website speed, your application speed, even price also very high. Only large scale companies, they are using cloud hosting for their applications. Best example, Flipkart, Amazon, and Zomato, Swiggy, everybody are using cloud-based softwares only. So for our regular websites, you just go with the shared hosting or dedicated hosting only. So this space also based on number of websites. So how many websites you want to store and based on storage space also 30 GB, 10 GB, 50 GB. And next one, number of company email IDs also. So generally, when we are providing any letterhead or something, we supposed to mention our company official email ID, right? For example, info@elearninfotech.com, sudhir@abc.com. So like this, we have to provide official email IDs. In case if you are using Gmail ID like elearn@gmail.com, if you are sending any official quotation, official email to some other company, what they will is a genuine guy or not? Because anybody can create Gmails, right? So that's why based on number of websites, based on space, based on number of email IDs, your price may depend. So if you want to create one website, simply you can go with regular hosting and regular domain. So that entire thing you can close within 4-5,000 rupees only. So where we can purchase this hosting, same domain providers only, they will give you the hosting also. So see here. So when I open BigRock, so here on top they are providing different options, right? What is the second option? Website hosting. See, different type of hostings are there. First one, shared hosting. So always we have to go with the shared hosting Linux. It's a very cheaper one only. You can go with this. And in this hosting, again, they will show you packages. So total, this company providing 4 packages for basic websites. For starter websites, they are providing starter plan 69 rupees per month. And only for first year. From second year per month, 159. Because it's a business strategy only. And how many websites we can store? One website, 20 GB. So like this, they will give you the features, 5 email IDs, unlimited data space like this. In case if you go with the second one, here what happened? See, unlimited, everything unlimited, but single website only. But I have one real estate company. So I'm offering website design services to my colleagues also because they have multiple companies. So instead of purchasing individual hostings, if you want to go with single one, you can go with the third plan or fourth plan. Why? Because we can store unlimited websites. So if we are going to start any agency or if we have couple of business, always try to go with unlimited websites. So
Will be changed in between.
so for example, here you can see in the starting initial level, I have purchased the advanced plan only for one website. After 2 months, I'm going to start two more business. So instead of purchasing different hosting, you can upgrade also because we have customer care option will be there. So any technical issue also on call only they will assist you. So this is about hosting. So this is Indian company. Similarly, when you go to GoDaddy, this is very popular entire worldwide. So here also you can purchase your domain, hosting, everything. And sometimes few companies will give you the offer like a Black Friday in the US Thanksgiving Day going on currently. So if you want hosting, they will give you free domain. So 1700 we can save. So like this, they will try to attract the users based on the requirement from the single company. Try to purchase domain and hosting. In case domain is from ABC company, hosting you purchase from XYZ company, also no problem. But the thing is, if you are purchasing from a single company, domain and hosting will be connected automatically. If you are purchasing from two different companies, you have to connect manually. That is web designer task. He is going to take care of this. So in future, if anything, any technical issue happen, if you are purchasing from single vendor, he is the responsible. Otherwise, domain provider will tell you contact your hosting provider. He will tell contact your domain provider. So to avoid this, always try to go with single vendor only because we are focusing on our business, not at all website or domain. But in initial stage only, if we go with properly, so in the future easily we can manage. So this is what exactly domain and hosting. So now if you want start SEO, first you need a website. If you want website, before designing, you have to register one domain and you have to purchase one hosting. Remember, once we purchase the domain name, modification not possible. If you want, you have to purchase one more domain only. So this is about domain and hosting and website types. So now domain and hosting done. What about the next phase? Designing. So in this designing, generally website designing nothing but everybody may think we have to write some coding or something. Even without coding also we can design the websites. So best example you can see in our mobile we have photos are there. If you want to increase the photo brightness, if you want to remove any unnecessary things from the photo, long back what happened, we supposed to focus on Photoshop or some other softwares, but now in a mobile only so many apps are there. So by using the apps we are going to do the modifications, right? Similarly, to design a website, already without coding, already designed themes, design samples are available in the online. By using this, just you can replace your content, your logo, your details only, same website will come automatically. For example, see here. So this is one website. To design this website, I have used completely coding from line by line, from scratch to end, line by line code I have used. So when I click on this, end of the name, they are showing .html, nothing but we have used HTML coding to design this website. And the next thing, so this is another website, but when I click on this, you can see here there is no HTML, nothing. So this is without coding we have designed. So here I have used WordPress technology. So why we have to go with without coding nowadays, we'll tell you. For example, for website designing purpose, we approached one freelancer or one company. They delivered our website, everything is okay. But after 10 days, in my content, I want to add some additional points. Or otherwise, I want to add one photo. I want to add some videos. So every time, is it possible to contact your designer? Not possible. If we contact also, 2-3 times he will respond properly. After that, he will ignore automatically. So that's why always try to go with without coding only. So for without coding, here we have a option called WordPress. So with zero line coding, we can design our website. So because already designed themes, designed templates, samples are available, just to replace your details. So here, this is completely 0% coding. So in our course, we are going to discuss WordPress also, no problem. So this is what exactly SEO and how it work, website types, domain hosting and design. And again, back to our SEO. So here we are targeting Google search engine only, right? Because when someone enter the query in the Google search, we have to display our website in the top position. On what basis Google will display your website in the top? Because some thousands of websites are there from Hyderabad. Why they supposed to display your website in the top position? Why? Because generally, when someone entered any query in the Google search, so automatically Google bot will find out all the websites in online who are providing related to this query. So for example, user entered some UX designing course. So immediately they will try to check who are providing UI UX course in Hyderabad city. For suppose 100 providers are there, 100 websites are there. From 100, how they will display only your website in top, nothing but first Google will bot will enter into your website and they will read line by line, everything they will read. And after that, immediately another bot will store your website information into the Google server. So based on your content quality and based on uniqueness and based on popularity. So based on these three factors, they will decide and they will display on the top. So for example, see here. So here as a student, I just inquired this. Immediately they are showing so many websites. So here you can see always they are showing UI UX and Hyderabad related websites only. Instead of this, if Google will display like a digital marketing course, user not going to open the websites, right? Because relevancy important. And second, so here heading look like UI UX course only. But once I entered inside of the website, inside it is showing digital marketing course. See outside heading UX course, Once user enter the website, digital marketing they are showing. Again, relevance issues are there, right? That's why Google will bot will visit your website. They will read entire content and they will store in their server. Based on the relevance, quality, and uniqueness, always they will try to display on the top position. So if you want top position, first your website should be perfect. So if you want your perfect website, first thing is content quality. So for SEO purpose, for marketing purpose, content is the king. So always you have to add unique content, relevant content. So you have to showcase your specialty when compared to others. So based on that, you will get top position. So that's why you can see different institutes are going to present different type of information only. See here we have displayed this much information and here they are showing some simple information. So it's completely based on their norms only. So if you want a website, first you need quality content. That's why nowadays content writers got huge demand. They will charge number of words for each word 2 rupees they will charge. Even we are purchasing from content writers. So like 300 words, 500 words, they will charge based on number of words. But now we have a query. So nowadays AI tools came. So can I use AI tools for content generation? If you use AI tools for content generation, immediately once you place the content in the website, Google bot will identify, okay, this is not human. This is AI generated content. So they will identify and they will spam your website. So that's why if you want ideas, you can use AI tools only. But before placing in the website, make changes as per human friendly. Because AI will give you some professional words, some technical words. Just you can change into regular human friendly words. For example, Elearn Infotech provides digital marketing course in Hyderabad. This is the regular human friendly. So in case if they are mentioning e-learn infotech empathizes, so what is this? We don't know, right? So that's why before mentioning the content in your website, first you have to check is it relevant or not, is it unique or not, user friendly or not. If three satisfied, no problem, you can place in your website. So we'll tell you what type of content we have to generate and how to generate, how to place everything we'll show you. And this is about some basic introduction about SEO. So see here, overall, today we covered what is a SEO and what are the search results, how many search results will be displayed. And next, what is a search query and how many search results. Website, website types. To design a website, what about prerequisites? Domain. While registering a domain, what are the points we have to remember? And hosting, hosting types, and about designing. So tomorrow we'll start our WordPress related thing. So without coding, how to design websites will show you tomorrow. And today video you will get through your WhatsApp only. I will send you in next 30 minutes. You can refer your today video. Okay. And from tomorrow onwards, we'll give you the LMS portal access so that you can find all the videos and materials in the portal. You can use your mobile app or in laptop also, no problem. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.